Class 6, Diversity and Discrimination Practice. Question number 1. Write an example of gender stereotype. Answer: don't cry. You are a boy. Boy are brave, they don't cry. Question number 2. How many major religions are there in the world? Answer: there are 8 major religions in the world. Question number 3. What is the quality that is generally associated with the boys and men? They are brave and they don't cry. Question number 4. What prejudice mean? Prejudice mean to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Question number 5. What is seen as a key value that unite us all as Indian? Answer: equality of all person is seen as a key value that unite us all as Indian. Question number 6. Write the name used by the government for Dalits. Answer: the government refers to this group of people as scheduled caste. Question number 7. How do you think a person who is discriminated against might feel? Answer: a person who is discriminated against might feel insulted, humiliated, and hurtful. Question number 8. What is Mahar? Mahar is one of the community which were treated as untouchable in the Bombay Presidency. Question number 9. Who are untouchable? Answer: the group of people who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. Question number 10. What do you mean by stereotype? Answer: stereotype means fixing something into an image that society creates around us. Question number 11. Who was the first person from Dalit community to go to England for higher education? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first person from Dalit community to go to the England for higher education. Question number 12. What is discrimination? Answer: discrimination is making a distinction in the favor of or against a person based on the group, class, or category. Question number 13. Why diversity is not always celebrated? Answer: diversity is not always celebrated because we feel safe and secure with the people who look, talk, dress, and think like us. Question number 14. What does the first page of our constitution states? Answer: the first page of constitution clearly states that all Indians are entitled to equality of status and opportunity. Question number 15. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. Why Muslim girls do not attend the school or drop out from school after a few years? Answer: poverty among the Muslims is an important reason why Muslim girls do not attend schools or drop out from schools after few years. Question number 17. How do you think Dr. Ambedkar felt as a child when he saw the station master's reaction to his statement that they were Mahars? Answer: he was a little boy. He must have felt disheartened when he saw the station master's reaction to his statement that they were Mahars. Question number 18. What stopped people from looking at each person as a unique individual? Answer: stereotypes stop people from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special quality and skills that are different from others. Question number 19. Who are seen as a dirty or impure? Answer. Activities like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, picking garbage are seen as tasks that are of less value, and people who do this work are seen as dirty or impure. Question number 20. Write one advantage of the stereotype. Answer. Stereotype fit large number of people into only one pattern or type. Stereotype affected all of us. They prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at regularly. All the best.